Good morning students. Welcome to my YouTube channel Maths Buzz. Today I am taking the topic for class 11th, chapter 1 sets. As far as the topic is concerned, we are taking representation of sets in roster form and in a set builder form. So I have explained the presentation in my previous video. Now I am taking the questions based on them. So we'll start with question number 3 because this question is based on the presentation of the set. Like here, if you see the first part, I am taking the parts which are similar and which are different. Similar parts you can solve it yourself. Part A says x is an integer and the value of x, it lies between -3 and 7. So here this has been given, like if it is an integer, it will have negative number also, it will have positive also, it will have 0 also. So here the number is lying between these two. So all the numbers which lies between these two numbers, they will come in our roster form. Set builder form is represented by the statement. In roster form, we write the elements separated by commas. So this is greater than -3. So I'll start from -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. This is roster form. Moving to next is x is a natural number which is less than 6. So we'll write natural numbers starting from 1 and less than 6 means till 5. Okay. Now if we take the third part, it says it's a 2-digit natural number such that sum of its digit is 8. So just we have to see that no number is left out. 2-digit number, if I start from say 11, and the sum is 18. So this is, sum is 8. So that is 17. The other is, we have 26. Now for 30s column, we have 35. 40s, we have 44. 50s, we have 53. 60s, we have 62. 70s, we have 71. And for 80s, we have 80. Their sum is 80. 8 plus 0 is 8. So we can check with all the numbers, the sum of the digit is coming out to be 8. Now the last part, deliberately I have taken this part where we have been given a word and it says write it in roster form. So I just want to bring up the fact, if the number is repeating, we'll just write it once. Like T, I'll write once. So it will not be written again. This will not be written again. This will not be written again. And we can write here the others, all the alphabets separated by commas. Number 1. Number 2, order of the alphabets doesn't matter. You can write in any order. Okay, if I am writing T first or I am writing O first, it doesn't matter. I am getting all the alphabets which are there in the word in the roster form. So here the collection will go like this: T, comma R, comma I, comma G, comma O, N, M, E and Y. We just have to keep a check that there is no alphabet being repeating. So if it is repeated, we should remove it. Okay. So this is the way that we write in roster form. In my next question, we have been given roster form and we'll be writing it in set builder form. Okay, so in continuation with question number 5, where we have been given in roster form, we have to write it in set builder form. So in set builder form, what do? We start always with a variable and then we give it a statement which is related to the number of elements in the set. So if you see in the first part, we have been given 3, 6, 9 and 12. If you notice, they all are the multiples of 3. So here we can write in the set builder form like an element x. Okay, we can write x is a natural number, since it's a natural number, and x lies between 1 and 4. Means here one more thing which I have missed out, x is equal to, I'll write this is 3n, and here then I'll give it n is a natural number, and here n lies between 1 and 4. Because if you take n equal to 1, you get first element. If you keep n equal to 2, you get second element and so on. Last element is 12 if you keep n equal to 4. Moving to next is the same question but in a different way. we have been given, if you notice, this is all what? Here, this is 2 raised to power 1, 2 raised to power 2 and so on. So here also we can write x such that x is equal to 2 raised to power n. And instead of writing this complete statement, we can write n belongs to a set of natural number. This is enough. Next, we have to tell what are the limits for n. Like here it was 1 and 4, and here if you notice this is n equal to 5. So I will write n lies between 1 and 5. So here we have to study. The first thing is maximum we have all the natural numbers. Second thing is what is a relation, like how it can be expressed. We have to study the pattern. Same way, if you see the third part, that is also a pattern. This is 5 raised to power 1, this is 5 raised to power 2, 5 raised to power 3, 5 raised to power 4. So this will also go in a similar way. In the previous part, this was 2 raised to power n. So now in the second part, this is going to be 5 raised to power n. Now what is the value of n? N is lying between, this is 1, this is 4. Okay, so here if you see, we can write like this. So this set builder form is x is such that x is equal to 5 raised to power n belongs to a set of natural number, and n lies between 1 and 4. That's it. Okay. Now here if you see, this is in continuation. It is stopping. It is not stopping, sorry. Now here this can be written as x such that x is equal to 2n. And n belongs to natural number. I don't need to give any value, any limits to n, because n is not stopping. It is in continuation. So we'll not write the limits that we have been writing in our previous parts. So I hope this thing is clear. In fact, if you have any other pattern in this way, we have 3, 6, 9 and so on, or say 5, 10, 15 and so on. So we'll just write x equal to 3n, x equal to 5n, depending on the kind of question we come across. Moving to the last part, if you see, like the thing is, whenever we see a set and that is in the roster form, the elements have been given, and I have earlier also explained, set means it's a collection of well-defined objects. So if these particular elements have been kept in a set, they are following a pattern. So we have to study a pattern to bring it into set builder form. So here this can be written as, if you notice, these all are the squares. So this is 2 square, 3 square, and the last is 10 square. So the set builder form is x such that x is equal to n square. Now here we are stopping at 100, which is square of 10. So value of n will lie between 1 and 10. That's it. So this way the set builder form can be written if we have been given roster form. So after that, I'll take question number 5th. So in continuation with the exercise 1.1, now I am taking the, question number 5th. And if you notice this question, this is almost the same. Like you have been given set builder form, and this question is parallel to question number 4. You have to list out all the elements of a set. So first of all, we'll just study what is the statement about x is an odd natural number. So all the elements which are odd, we'll just write down. Now since there is no limit given, so you will put it by dotted. So dotted means the kind of numbers they will follow the same. Okay, this is indefinitely, infinite numbers, so we'll just put dotted. Next is, you have been given this x is an integer and x lies between these two numbers. You know, in fact, what we can do is this is minus 0.5 and this is 4.5. Since I have to write all the integers, so I'll be writing the integers here. So first of all, first integer is going to be 0, followed by 1, 2, 3 and 4. That's it. So simple. Third part, this is also again an integer, but x square is less than or equal to 4. So here one thing to keep in mind is we'll have negative numbers also coming. Value can be equal to 4 also, it can be less than 4 also. So simple, It means I can write minus 2 also. I can write minus 1, 0, 1, 2. So these are the elements of the set which is defined by this statement. Fourth part, we have to list out all the letters in the word loyal. In previous question, I have told if there is a letter which is repeating in a word, we will not write it again. So loyal, L is coming again. So I will not write L. The rest letters I will be writing with a comma. This is L, comma O, comma Y, comma I. That's it. So this is a set. So as far as fifth and sixth part are concerned, I want you to try yourself and you can make out how much have you understood. So I hope these presentation of the set is clear to you. In my next video, I'll just continue with the types of sets. So do watch my next video and you can ask any question if you have in my comment box. Till then, thank you.